All right, hello everyone. My name is Reese. I'm a full-time practicing criminal defense attorney here in South Texas. If for any reason you are watching this video and you are in need of some legal advice, especially related to criminal defense in the state of Texas, feel free to give me an email or a comment in the comment section below. We will get in touch. Guys, in addition to being a full-time practicing criminal defense attorney. I am an amateur day trader. Specifically, I trade micro ES futures. That's all I trade, are micro ES futures. And I know it's been some time since I've made a video. I hope to get back in the habit of making daily videos. There are a bunch of different topics that I want to discuss, and then ultimately I enjoy recapping the action on the day and what I think might occur in the future. Guys, before we move forward, I need to get through some disclaimers as well as a promotion from Apex Trader Funding. Okay, guys, a couple of disclaimers. Trading involves substantial risk of loss, including your initial capital. Do not trade with funds that you cannot afford to lose. Simulated trading is different from live markets in many ways, including slippage, illiquidity, commissions, and fees, along with other things. So do not expect a simulated environment to be exactly like a live environment, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a lawyer. And so contact your local financial advisor if you want financial advice. Okay, guys, with that disclaimer out of the way, Apex Trader Funding is currently running I think a 71% off sale. If you are interested in trading at a lower cost to you, trading with a prop firm, I recommend using Apex Trader Funding, using my affiliate link that's in the description box below. That is a way to support the channel as well. Just to comment on that, guys, I trade my own funds. I have traded using Apex before. I've traded using many prop firms, but as of this time, I do trade my own money. You have to make that decision on your own, whether you want to trade with your own money or if you want to try and go through a prop firm. Guys, many of you, if you are outside of the United States, you may trade contracts for difference. Those are not lawful in the United States, and so you're not going to be seeing me trade CFDs or CFD products as they are not legal to trade in the United States. I trade on the regulated futures exchange. Okay, guys, so in this video, I want to talk about the concept of tilt. I want to see what Grok, the AI, has to say about tilt and advice on tilt. I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can be your own worst enemy in day trading and steps you can take to overcome your emotions when you're day trading. So this video is on the concept of tilt, and I have spoken with the almighty AI, and I think it gives really good answers. I think it's really on point. So I asked the AI, how do you define tilt in trading? The AI says, in trading, tilt refers to an emotional state where a trader loses control of his decision making due to frustration, anger, or overconfidence, often after a series of losses or unexpected market moves. It's borrowed from poker slang, where a player, quote, goes on tilt after a bad hand, making reckless moves to chase losses or prove a point. In the context of trading, being on tilt can lead to impulsive actions like overtrading, ignoring risk management, or doubling down on losing positions, driven by emotion rather than strategy. It's a psychological trap that can amplify losses and derail even a solid trading plan. Traders often combat tilt by stepping away, reassessing, or sticking to strict rules to regain composure. Okay, guys, so I 100% agree with the AI there. Tilt is an emotional state where you're not making rational decisions, and it could be for a number of reasons. You could be on tilt because you took a big loss. You could be on tilt because you had a thought about where the market was going and the market did not go there. But guys, there are other things that can cause tilt that can kind of sneak up on you. So the biggest one is winner's high or winner's tilt. So oftentimes, guys, I have found that if I have profited in the market 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, that is when I am most susceptible then to have a big loss. So one of the things that the AI mentioned, but the AI did not really go into, is a winner's high or overconfidence. Guys, if you have 1, 2, or 3, or 4 winning days in a row, you really need to self-reflect and understand that it's okay to take a loss. It's okay to have a losing day. You don't have to make a profit on every single day. And honestly, I will tell you that I am most susceptible to taking a loss after I've had multiple winning days in a row. The market did just come back online, and we had a gap up. Market's now trading at 57.34.50. You may see me take a live short. So something's going on here in the market. Might as well do it while we're here live on the video. So I don't know what's going on here, but the market has gapped up with a large. Let's see what kind of gap that is. Yeah, 48 point MES gap. So you're probably going to be seeing me take just short this right off the bat. Yeah, we're going to be shorting. I'm sorry. This is a contract rollover situation. That's why. The market did not gap up that far. It's a rollover. So let's see. All right. So this is a better idea of where the market is right this second, guys. The market is rolling over. So I want to get back to the concept of tilt. I want to see what the AI has to say with regards to how does the AI recommend handling tilt as a trader. I think this is really good advice, guys. And I'll be honest with you, if you are not using AI to your advantage, I would get to using it pretty quick. It's very good. I'll tell you that. Handling tilt as a trader requires a mix of self-awareness, discipline, and practical steps to reset your mindset. Here's how. One, step away immediately. When you feel the emotional spiral, anger, desperation, or the urge to quote fix a loss, stop trading. Close your platform, walk away, and give yourself at least 15 to 30 minutes to cool off. Time away breaks the cycle. I absolutely agree with this, and this doesn't really matter whether you're trading, you're playing poker, any form of gambling or investment or whatever activity. Um, you should absolutely, when you have taken a loss and you're feeling that emotion, you should consider stepping away. Some other things that might cause tilt that I have not mentioned before, guys, but lack of sleep. If you're having an emotional argument with a colleague, a loved one, whatever, if you've been highly emotional, that is something that can also cause tilt. Really, if you want to trade, you need to be in a very solid, sort of neutral mindset, focused, tranquil. Shouldn't be an overly emotional exercise. Some other things that can cause tilt: intoxication. So if you're drunk or high or whatever you are, intoxication can also lead to tilt. Okay, guys, recognize your triggers. So identify what sets you off, maybe a string of losses, a missed opportunity, or a market surprise. Knowing your weak spots lets you catch tilt before it takes over. So again, I think this is good advice from the AI. What I would have to add to that, guys, is news catalyst. So if it's CPI or if it's PPI or you have a big news event coming out, the market can move in unexpected ways, and that can lead to tilt as well. 3, stick to a predefined plan. Have strict trading rules, entry, exit points, position sizes, risk limits, and follow them religiously. When emotions scream to deviate, let the plan be your anchor. No plan, build one when you're calm, not mid chaos. So, yeah, guys, if you are going into trading without a plan, you're just burning your money. You're donating it, you're burning it, you're putting it in a pit of fire and sacrificing it. So you need to come in with a plan. A plan it could be very simple. I'm going to take this many trades. I'm going to trade this product. I have this amount of stop loss. I have this risk to reward. You have to have something. Okay. If you go in without a plan, you're burning your money. Okay, guys, cap your losses. Set a daily loss limit, say 1 to 2% of your account. Hit it, you're done for the day. This forces a hard stop before tilt digs a deeper hole. I agree with that completely. Reset physically, do something physical, stretch, hit the gym, or even splash cold water on your face. It shifts your focus and burns off the adrenaline, fueling bad decisions. So, guys, this is something that I completely agree with. When you are on tilt, this is whether you're trading, you're playing poker, um, or whatever you're doing, you're investing in real estate. Uh, I can tell you that as an attorney, there are plenty of times where you might have some adrenaline. Um, stepping away, cold water on your face, taking deep breaths, meditation exercise. You've got to be cool under fire. This is something that, as an attorney, you have to get used to, especially when you're a criminal defense attorney. Frankly, You're going to deal with a lot of emotional people. You're going to deal with a lot of emotional events, and being able to reset physically and bring that adrenaline down is very important. So I agree with the AI. 6, review, don't revenge. After cooling off, analyze what went wrong objectively without chasing the market to get even. Losses are data, not personal attacks. Log your trades and emotions to spot patterns over time. Completely agree with this, guys. This is something that I completely agree with. Scale down. When you return, trade smaller sizes or use a demo account until you're steady. It rebuilds confidence without risking a blow off. I agree with that completely. The key is catching tilt early and treating it like a signal, not a state to fight through. Pros don't trade through tilt, they manage it because emotions and markets don't mix. Yeah, so that's completely right. Guys, the AI is basically on point. I wanted to make a video about tilt, and I think using the assistance of AI is a good way to do that. Guys, you are going to take losses. You're going to take hard losses. One other thing that the AI did not mention that I think is worth is good to mention is you should be keeping a spreadsheet. I keep a spreadsheet of my trades, of my profit and loss every day, and I download my statements from my broker every single day that I trade. So the broker statement will tell me how much money I started with in my account, how much money I finished with in my account, what commissions and fees I paid, and it'll do that every single night. So I download my daily statements from my broker every single night, and I input that data into a spreadsheet. Um, and this is another way that you can improve your trading and manage your emotions. Also, guys, frankly, most of you are going to break your rules sometimes. You're going to break whatever rules you've set. I break my rules sometimes. I really shouldn't be doing that, but I'll be honest, I do. When you break your rule, you should be marking down in your spreadsheet every time, and like even the time of day. This is when I broke my rule. I'd be marking that down every single time that you break one of your trading rules. So, guys, this has been a quick video on trading in Tilt, talking a little bit about Tilt, using the AI as assistance. I hope you've enjoyed this. And, guys, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and use the affiliate links in the description box below. Thank you.